Alright, welcome back to the Chapman family YouTube. Daddy and Ava are back with another video, and tomorrow is Ava's birthday, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and silk press her hair. I've already washed, conditioned, and deep conditioned her hair off camera. Right now it doesn't have any product in it, so the first thing I'm going to do is go in and add some All Eyes on Me 10-in-1 hair perfector in first, and then I'll rope twist her hair. And sit her under a hooded dryer to let it get about 80% dry. Once it is 80% dry, then I'll go in with my blow dryer to further blow dry. And this is the first Christmas that I think since Ava's been born that it'll actually be, well, I guess on the first Christmas that she was born, it was kind of cool. And then I'm going to detangle her hair, and then I'll go in and do the rope twist. I forgot why I started using this brush. It kind of tangles her hair a little bit. And her hair is pretty much detangled, because I always detangle in the during my wash process and deep condition process. So now all I'm doing is just brushing in that protective spray, or that, I can't remember what it is. It's a perfector spray. It's for all hair types, and then the 10 things that it says that it does: it adds body, detangles, adds shines, protects, moisturizes, controls frizz, repairs dry hair, heat protection, and men's split ends. So we're going to put it to the test.
Yo, Tori, can I make you a face mask? A or B?
Alright.
Lightsabers?
And like I said, I can't really tell you if it helped detangle, because her hair is not hard to detangle if you do the wash and deep condition process right. So it took me literally a few seconds to detangle her hair, and I don't like this brush because her hair does get caught up in it sometimes.
Go grab Tori to try it on. Guess what it's made out of?
It smells really minty, so I think
Alright, so now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to go in and I'm going to rope twist it.
Amara, can you check how many years that? That's not true. I don't even know why I asked you anyway, you crazy. Do you think she's lying about seeing how many years she's pregnant for this? Yeah, she's definitely doing it today. I don't get it. Why does someone believe me? Wait. Mommy.
Okay, so I'm gonna see how far one piece of chalk would go.
And I want to try to make sure that it stays detangled while I do the rope twist. Alright, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. We on the road to 1,000. We almost halfway there. I know we can get there. So if you don't mind, go ahead and pause the video and go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel.
Not be happy if you got a bad name. Could I borrow a shirt? Again? Yes, I just like your clothes. I'm kidding. Go ahead. So why is there?
And I'm just taking a little bit of this thermal strengthening serum by Design Essential, and I'm using that just a little bit, not even a dime size,
Wait, Grandma, let me help you up the stairs.
while I do my rope twist.
Thank you. You're an angel.
I said, can I get this?
Alright, we'll be back. I got my twist in, so now I'm going to put her under that hoodie dryer and get her about 80% dry. I will be back.
I don't like them anymore. I want someone who does their homework on time. I want someone who doesn't get in trouble. I want someone who gets good grades.
Alright, so now we're going to use
So exciting!
this Rev-air blow dryer.
What are you talking
Her hair
about?
is 90% dry, or I don't know, about
Here's your blink drops. You
80%.
almost
The
forgot
roots are
them.
pretty dry.
Whenever you blink, someone is erased from your memory. You have to keep taking those
So
drops.
this is what it looks like.
I'm
And
sorry.
we're going to
I'm
use
take them. I won't
that
blink this time.
Rev-air.
Okay.
Four. And we're going to let's see what it does. And I'm actually going to detangle it out first. Put a little bit of serum on there because I don't want it to be dried out. Her roots still seem a little wet to me. Some of them, so I'm going to go back in and do a smaller section, like that side, so I can get a root. We are back from the blow dry, and I just put it up because I gave her a break. She wanted a break, so I just did a bantu knot, and I went ahead and sprayed some heat protector, but I'll probably spray more as we go. And while I'm gonna let my flat irons heat up, I'm gonna use these Babyliss or a Nano Titanium Babyliss Pro. I'm gonna use these. Also gonna use the Sebastian Shaper Plus Professional. So I went ahead and I straightened her hair in the direction that the style was going to go. And this is me just going in with the flat irons, and I'm getting those small pieces there in the back of her kitchens. I always forget those parts when I'm trying to blow dry or straighten her hair. And those are the first that revert back usually. And also this, we did this style previously, and I'm here to tell y'all I did use heat protected, and her curls came right back. But this is the longest that any straight style has lasted on her hair. I don't know if it was because of the Sebastian Shaper or just the weather, but it lasted for a week and it was still straight for the most part. She just got tired of straight hair and wanted her curly hair back. But also stay tuned and you will get a better angle. This is me straightening her hair before I realized that y'all couldn't really see what I was doing. So I did change angles so that you will be able to see. So just stay tuned for that. I was talking about like Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday.
I mean Wednesday.
Like I look like it. Because I have black hair.